Hi and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, we will be making this lip-smacking good Sri Lankan date and lime chutney. It's sweet, spicy with just enough tang that makes this chutney insanely good. Before we start with the recipe, remember that you can find all my recipes with extra tips and step-by-step photo guides on islandsmile.org. Come check it out for more delicious ideas. Now, here are the ingredients you will need to make the date and lime chutney. Now that you have all the ingredients ready, let's do the prep work. If you are using mustard seeds, soak them overnight in 1/4 cup vinegar and blend into a paste. If you are using mustard powder, simply soak in vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes and mix. Once the mustard paste is ready, add the minced garlic and ginger and combine well and set aside. As for the raisins, soak them in 1/2 cup of water for 2 to 3 hours or until they are plump enough that it's easy to crush them. Moving on to the pickled limes, remove all the seeds from them thoroughly. If there are any seeds, then your chutney will turn bitter. Now that the prep work is done, let's make the chutney. Place the pan over very low heat and add the mustard, ginger and garlic paste. Pour in the vinegar while maintaining low heat. Add the red chili powder, sugar and stir to dissolve. Season with salt. Kitchen blooper alert, we had to replace the clay pot midway through filming. So you'll notice we jumped to a fresh pot and then add the dates to the vinegar mix. Followed by the pickled lime pieces. Stir, add the soaked raisins with the water. Combine well for a few seconds and gradually increase the heat to bring the mixture to a boil. Just be careful here because the chutney can splatter. Once boiled, immediately reduce and slow simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until the chutney thickens. Make sure to constantly stir to avoid the chutney sticking to the bottom of the cooking pan. This is an important step in making the date and lime chutney. While the chutney is simmering, use a spoon to constantly break down the dates, lime and the raisins into smaller pieces until it reaches a thick and coarse consistency. At this point, the chutney is done. You can remove from the fire and let it cool. But if you want a smoother chutney, let it cool, transfer to a blender and blitz for a few minutes until it's very smooth. And then transfer to a dry container and refrigerate. And this is your Sri Lankan date and lime chutney. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another great recipe you can try.